If your pressure washer has little or no water pressure, here are the two most probable causes. If there is an insufficient water supply coming into the pressure washer, then the equipment will not be able to function properly. If you've determined there is a strong water supply coming into the pressure washer, then it's likely the pump is malfunctioning. If the compressed air is not purged from the pump before operation, it can damage the check valves, plungers, and unloader, causing the pump to malfunction and lose water pressure. You will need to replace the pump or its various components to solve the problem. Be aware that some pumps are sold as a complete assembly, while others allow the check valves, O-rings, and plungers to be replaced separately. The pump and its various components are all available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your pressure washer or the pressure washer's engine to find the specific replacement part that will fix your problem.